Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing components and a clear wiring map. Begin soldering switches and diodes into your PCB or jig step by step. This forms the key matrix. Once done, route each row and column to labeled pins on your microcontroller and connect the Bluetooth module's TX/RX and power lines. Make sure to check polarity and that the battery is off while wiring. You want tidy, short traces to reduce noise, and a secure battery connector for safety. Now you flash and configure firmware to match your exact matrix and Bluetooth interface. You will set key maps, debounce, and power management so keys behave reliably. This explains why configuration matters for battery life. Next, enable your module's BLE mode or a UART bridge depending on hardware. Once done, run a matrix scanner and firmware to detect stuck or ghosting keys, and use a multimeter to confirm stable VCC and GND. If a row fails, recheck diode or finish by powering the build and putting the Bluetooth module into pairing mode. You should see the keyboard on your host immediately. Pair and test across platforms to ensure modifiers, media keys, and layouts work as expected. Seal your enclosure and secure the battery after confirming stable operation. If pairing or dropped packets occur, try one troubleshooting step. Inspect all solder joints and ground continuity. Then verify the module antenna placement and correct UART/baud settings in firmware. This fixes most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.